Good
Okay.
afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon,
Children,
ma'am.
good afternoon. Good afternoon. So today we are starting with our classes with the continuation of the problems which we have done in the previous day. You know, you have studied percentages, isn't it? We have studied how to convert percentage into fraction, fraction into
Good
percentage.
morning, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So today, and the last one which we have done is about how to find the whole quantity if the percentage is given. Hmm? Now, next we are passing on to just to take down two
Ma'am,
problems. It's
Adityan is
very
there
easy
in the waiting
problem.
room.
No need to do anything. Just you can say the answer. Okay. Let's see that what is that problem. This easy problem. In a city, listen and answer. There's no need of writing, just listen to me. In a city, 30% are females. Okay, 30% are females, 40% are males. Remaining are children. Okay, remaining are children. What percentage are children? What percentage are children?
30.
30%.
30. Okay, what percentage are children? 30 percentage. How did you get it 30 percentage?
30 plus C plus minus 100.
Minus 100 because I told you the full is considered as 100.
100
So
minus
total
70.
population means total population means it is
100%.
100%, right?
100%.
100%. So what is population of children, isn't it? Percentage of
100
children.
minus 30
Yeah,
plus
percentage
40.
of children, it will be what? 100 minus
70.
that is 30 plus 40. 30 plus 40. 100 minus percentage of females plus percentage of males. So answer is 100 minus 70. It is 30 percentage. Okay. That is an easy problem. Now, next one. Next problem is this. Okay.
I
Next
mean, I
one.
tried this, right?
No need, no need, no need. This is simply, it is there in the text. Okay. That and all is orally you can answer. Next one, just listen to me. Out of 15,000 votes, 15,000 voters, out of 15,000 voters, 60% only have done the voting. Okay, 60% only have done the voting. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote.
40%.
40%.
Yes, percentage who did not vote. Who did not vote is equal to how much total voters it is 100%, no? 100%. So minus 60%. That is equal to how much? 40%.
40%.
40% did
Ma'am,
not.
6,000.
Very good. And one more question is there. How many did not vote? How many did not vote?
6,000.
Yes, did not vote. How many did not vote? That is the next question. So how will you find out that?
40%
40%
of
Ma'am,
of,
X
40
is
by
equal
100
to
into 15,000.
yes, 40% of
dash is
15,000.
equal to
Isn't it?
15,000.
40
15,000.
percentage of 15,000. Just find out what it is. 14 per, okay, Sri Lakshmi, I think she have answered it, correct? Just check
6,000.
the answer. You can just cancel these two. You know 4 into 15, 60, isn't it? So 60 and these two zeros. So you have 6,000. 6,000 people didn't vote, isn't it?
Yes.
How much percent didn't vote? 40%. So we have to find out 40% of total population, total voters. Total voters are 15,000. So 40% of 15,000. That is
And someone is saying to let them in the group.
6,000. But no intimation here.
I am in.
Yes. Okay, children, this is easy. So did you understand?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Now another one, another type of question which can come from this percentage is this one, this type, that is uh, increase and decrease, and decrease, increase and decrease as percentage, increase and decrease as percentage. There, one question, I'll explain through one question. A school team won 6 games this year against 4 games won last year. What is percent increase? What is percent increase? Here, one formula is there. You have to use that. Okay. A school team won 6 games this year against 4 games won last year. What is the percentage increase? Percent increase. Okay. So what we do is to find increase percent or decrease percent, you have to calculate upon the previous achievement, first achievement. Okay. So actually here what is coming is increase. Increase in here increase, no, actually games have increased, increase in the games, in the number of games, increase in the number of games is equal to how much? 6 minus 4, 2, isn't it? 2. Now we want to find the percentage of this increase. Percentage increase is equal to percentage increase is equal to the increase by the what is it, previous one. Okay, the previous number into number into 100. Upon the previous achievement only we calculate the increment. Okay, so here what it will come, 2 by what was the previous number? 4 into 100. So how much percent?
Half into 100.
Half
50.
into, isn't it? So
50.
50. So we can say it is 50% increase. 50% increase. It is 50% increase. So increase percent or decrease percent, whatever it is calculated upon previous achievement. Okay, previous amount. So that is about increase and decrease percent. We have to do problems based on this. It is coming. Now just I will explain the rules and then we can go for the problems. Okay.
Ma'am, can you say this question, explain one more time?
Which one? This one.
Yeah, ma'am.
You just read this question once in mind. Just read it.
Ma'am, from there we'll get that 12.
12 is not there.
Not 2.
2.
Oh,
6
okay,
is,
ma'am.
it is not 12. Just I cancelled and wrote 1 there.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear now?
Yeah, ma'am. Now,
Minus 4, 2 by 4 it is. 2 is the increase divided by previous number is 4, no? Number of games, previous number of games is 4. 4 into 100. Okay. Increase percent. Next one is, we go for profit and loss.
ma'am, don't rub.
Ma'am, don't rub. Don't rub.
Okay, okay. Okay, the formula comes like this. The formula is this. Increase or decrease percent. Increase or
Ma'am, is
decrease.
this profit and loss?
No, this one is the same thing. Increase or decrease percent is equal to increase or decrease in quantity, increase or decrease in quantity by original quantity into 100. This is the formula we use. Increase or decrease in quantity divided by original quantity into 100. Okay, children? Now, we can pass on to the next topic, that is,
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am.
yes? Okay, we'll see what is
Ma'am, can you say that one more time?
this formula.
Yeah, ma'am.
Increase or decrease
increase
in quantity
or
by
decrease by original quantity.
Ma'am, you wrote after decrease one thing, right?
Increase or
In
decrease in
quantity.
quantity by
in quantity means amount, right?
amount or in amount, quantity or amount, whatever it is the increase or decrease in quantity by original quantity or amount. If you have written amount, okay, no problem. In amount, original amount or original quantity.
Ma'am, into 100.
Into 100. Into 100. That is called increase or decrease percent. Okay, increase or decrease percent. Increase or decrease percent is equal to increase or decrease in quantity by previous quantity, that is original quantity, into 100. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I will start with the next important topic, that is
Profit and loss.
profit and loss. Before starting, you just see this. I am going to a shop, okay? I am going to a shop and I am buying a book for 5 rupees. Okay. I am going to a shop or a wholesale dealer or anywhere. I am purchasing for rupees 5 one notebook. Okay. Now that is my cost price. Cost price. That means the cost at which I am buying that particular thing. Okay. The cost at which I am buying it from
Buying
shop.
price.
Cost price. It is my cost price for that commodity. Now I am selling it to another person. Okay. At rupees 15. I am selling that notebook to another person at rupees 15. That is known as selling price. The price at which I sell the commodity is known as the selling price. Cost price, short form is CP. Selling price short form is SP. This much is clear? If I am purchasing a commodity, the money which I pay is known as the cost price. And the same commodity, if I am selling to another person, at what amount I am selling, that amount is the SP or selling price of that commodity. Now, now in this case, cost price is less and selling price is, CP is less than selling price. Isn't it? See, cost, I bought it for 5 rupees and I'm selling it for 15 rupees. Is it a profit or loss for me?
Profit.
Profit. You know what is
Profit.
no profit. So it is profit for me. I will be getting 10 rupees extra, isn't it? I'll be getting 10
Yes.
rupees extra in my pocket. So it is profit for me. It is not a loss. When CP is less than SP, I have profit. CP is less than SP, I have profit. But if this is 15 and this is 10, is it profit or loss?
Loss.
Loss. Okay, it is loss. That when it is loss, when CP is greater than SP, it is loss. When cost price is greater than selling price, then it will be loss for me. Okay, this much is clear to you? What is cost price? What is cost price? Cost price.
Money
The
from
buying
which I
price.
The buying price.
buying price.
Price at which we buy the things. And selling price means the price
The
at
price
which
we
I sell the price,
sell.
the same price, same commodity. Okay. Now, when do we get profit? When cost prices
Price is less than
Selling price.
When do
selling
we get
price.
loss? When cost
Cost price
price
is
is
greater
than
than
selling price. Clear? Okay. Now, there are the same thing we have to express in percentage. Profit percent, loss percent. Look at this. I'm not rubbing. I'll just move it up. God. You have noted down that? All of you?
Ma'am, it's there in the left corner. I saw it.
Left corner, it is not there. Wherever
Ma'am,
it is.
right corner, sorry.
Right corner for me, maybe. It's not seen here anywhere. No. Did you notice that? You understood now? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next one, the same thing. We are going to express in percentage. Profit percent. We know what is increase percent and decrease percent, no? So in the same way, it is calculated upon the previous money. Profit percent is calculated like this. Profit percent is equal to the amount, profit amount, by the price which I bought it, CP, always calculated upon cost price.
into
Profit,
100.
profit percent is calculated upon cost price into 100. That's all. So profit percent, the formula is profit. It is calculated upon the price which I bought the thing. So profit always calculated upon cost price. Profit percent or loss percent is calculated upon cost price only. So profit by CP into 100. Same way loss percent. Loss percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Loss by cost price into 100. So two formulas, profit percent and loss percent. Profit percent means it is profit by CP into 100. Loss percent is loss by CP into 100. Both are calculated upon cost price. Both are calculated upon cost price.
Ma'am, wrote.
Yes?
Wrote and finished.
You wrote. Okay. Now let us check some. Is it profit? You know to calculate. We are not going to do any. I don't think it is. Is it needed? Whether profit or loss? You know. Usually you know when cost price is greater, we have loss. When cost price is lesser, you have profit, isn't it? So let us see three. We have to do three problems related to it. Otherwise, some people will not understand. So we'll do three problems based on that. First one is a toy. Listen and tell me the answer. That's better. I'm not going to write. Listen and tell me the answer. You have to find the profit or loss. Find the profit or loss. A toy bought for 72 rupees and sold at 80 rupees.
Profit.
Is it profit or loss? How much rupees?
Profit.
How
Profit. Profit by 8 rupees.
8 rupees. Profit is 8 rupees. Isn't it? Profit. Now, t-shirt bought for 120 rupee and sold at 100 rupee.
Loss by 20 rupees.
20 rupees. Isn't it? Loss 20 rupees. Next, a cycle bought at 800 rupee. It is sold for 940 rupees.
Profit by 140 rupees.
Profit by 140 rupees. Good. So you understood what is profit, what is loss. Now we have to do some problems related to the profit percent and loss percent. So before calculating profit percent and loss percent, you should find out what is the profit, what is the loss. Then we have to calculate using the formula. Okay. So let us see the problems. What is the time? 12:55. You remind me to take the attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you see the board, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think you can read it properly. Okay, tell what is the first question you see, first one.
Tell what is the profit or loss in the following transactions. Also find the profit percent or loss percent in each case.
Each case. Do the first one. Gardening shears. That means gardening tools. Okay, so many things are there now for gardening. That.
Profit for 125 rupees.
Then you have to find a percentage. Do the problem.
Ma'am, 30%.
Yes.
30%.
30%. First one. Okay. What about others? You want me to do first one? Just simply subtract 325 minus 250. Okay, 325 minus what is first one? Is it profit or loss?
Profit.
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 What is profit? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. So that I am doing 325 minus 250.
75.
75, isn't it? So my profit is 75 rupees. Now I have to find out the profit percent. Profit percent is equal
By
to
250.
profit by CP into 100. Okay,
By
profit
250
by
into
CP into 100. So what is it? Profit by
30%.
Yeah, profit by CP into 100. That is, what is the profit? 75. 75 by cost price. What is the cost price?
250.
250 into 100. Okay, we can take 0, 0 cut off. Then 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. Then with 5, we can cancel the 75, isn't it? So what is that? 15. So 15 into 2, 30. 30%. Answer. See, that's why I told you this cancelling is very, very important. You should understand how to take common factor and cancel. Do you know? All of you know to do like this, no?
Yes.
Several problems
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have done. You should be very thorough with this cancelling methods. This is your textbook exercise, okay, problems. Exercise, I think 8.3, 8.3. Next question, you can look at this, it is more easy.
Ma'am, 12.5 percentage and 1,500 profit.
500 profit.
This one, no? Yes,
Ma'am,
next
the
one.
Second
refrigerator
one.
brought for 12,000.
Next
and
one,
sold at
refrigerator brought for rupees 12,000 and it is sold at 13,500.
Ma'am,
So-
profit 1,500 and percentage 12.5%.
Okay. What about others? Did you get that?
Yes.
Yes, you do it. All of you do. I want to see your videos. Do it. Find out the answer. Angelia, did you get the answer? Angelia, can you find out refrigerator bought for 12,000 and sold at 13,500. So what is it profit or loss?
Profit.
My profit is 500,
It is
1,000.
profit.
By
How much is the profit?
1,500.
What is the amount? 12,000 and 13,500. So how much is the difference?
1,500.
1,500. Okay, so profit is 1,500. Okay, now find profit percentage. 1,500 by cost
1,500 by
price.
12,000
12,000
into 100.
into 100.
12.5%.
Find out the answer. Do it.
0.5.
Yes.
0.5.
Yeah, you can cut short. And again with this and this you can 150 by 12. Divide 150 by 12. Okay. 150 by 12. You'll be getting how much? 12.5%. That's answer. Isn't it? 12 ones are 12, balance 3, 30. 12, again 12 into 2, 24. 24, balance 6. Point. You can take 60. Now 5. So 12.5. 12.5%. Answer is 12.5%.
Next one 20%.
Okay.
By 500.
Angelia, can you understand? Do you understand?
Ma'am,
Yes?
attendance.
Attendance. Okay. Angelia, are you doing the problems? All of you should do the problem. Okay. In your note. Okay, so take attendance, it is 54 already. Okay. Now one more only, no? Two more problems
more.
are there. You can do it as homework, right?
Yes.
This
Yes,
one,
ma'am.
set you complete. Okay. The set is in your text, exercise 8.3. When you check that lesson, you will get it. So just complete till D. Okay. I'll take attendance now. Till this much you finish. Till D, you finish it. Okay. Yes. Now we can pass on to the attendance.